All right, so I wanted to look at a special case for these quadratic inequalities. This one, the thing that makes it special is that it doesn't actually touch the x-axis, right? So if you were to try to solve this one, you'd have to use the quadratic formula because it doesn't factor. You'd be doing something like, get red in here, -4 plus or minus the b squared is going to be 4 squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And the problem is right here. On our discriminant, the 4 squared is going to give us 16, and then 4 times 20 is 80. Okay. And since 16 minus 80 is negative, that means that this thing is going to have imaginary solutions, right? Graphically, it just means that the function never touches the x-axis. Well, I know that this thing is opening up, and I know that it doesn't touch the x-axis. All right, so this here is a kind of a picture for what's going to be going on. This right here means that it's opening up, and because my discriminant right here, because my discriminant was negative, it's not going to have real solutions. Well, this function, right, this thing, because it's always above the x-axis like this, it's always going to be greater than or equal to 0. All right, so no matter what number you plug in for x, it's always going to be, it's always going to make a true statement. So I guess the solution set would be all real numbers. Okay, and if you want to, on your calculator, you could graph these things just to kind of see what the graphs look like. Over here in Desmos, you can see that this one is way above the x-axis at all times. So it doesn't have that that feature where it drops below for a little bit, and sometimes it's negative, sometimes it's positive. So you gotta look out for that sometimes.